Teach an old dog new tricks.com. More than 40 hours of free computer training. Sit, stay, and learn. Thank you. Hi ladies and gentlemen. In our last tutorial, we simplified the screen, we took some things away, and we added these icons up at the top. On the right hand side, we added some unique icons based on the things we will do on a regular basis. We put in 2 reports, we put in a payment icon and an invoice icon. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here to the bottom of the icons, and I'm going to click on Customize Icon Bar. What this does for me is it allows me to move icons and move them around or delete them. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to delete this one. I'm going to leave the space in. Snapshots, I'm going to delete. Customers, vendors, those are things you'll use, so I'm going to keep those. Online banking, I'm going to delete this just to clean it up a little bit. Docs, I'm going to delete. Reports, I'm going to delete. And again, I'm just deleting some of these things to illustrate how it can be done. And again, I'm just going to run through these. I'm going to delete a couple spaces here because we just have too much space. But here's my invoice. And to me, the most important thing you're ever going to do in your business is invoices. So what I'm going to do at this point is I'm going to click on Invoice. Actually, over here, I'm going to grab this little arrow and I'm going to drag it up the screen. And what I've done is I've made the invoice first, as you can see over there. Next, the second thing is you want to take care of your payments, so I'm going to drag this up and I'm going to put this right below Invoice. Third, because we did 2 reports, I'm going to take this one and I'm going to move it up and I'm going to put it third. Fourth, sales by customer. I got to grab the little arrow here and I'm going to drag it right up the screen and I'm going to put it right there. Now what we could do here is we could move up or add a separator if we so desired. So let me just go add a unique separator right here, and now we have a space. So here are the 4 things that I told you we were going to add. When I click on OK, I can see those much clearer. So now what I've done is I've taken away a lot of the things that were on the toolbar, and I've just left the things that I felt were relevant. If I want to create a new invoice, click right there, and there's my invoice. So the point I'm trying to make is we can oversimplify QuickBooks to make it work for the people that use it. You can go to each employee's desk and simplify it for the way they use it. If some employees need nothing more than reports, you can add the reports to their icon bar. So this is just a second part of simplifying QuickBooks. And when I work with my clients, this is typically what I do. I try to get to the bottom line of what they got to do on a daily basis. I use these shortcuts so much that when I go back to QuickBooks and I teach other people, because they have everything up on the screen and so many ways to get to the same thing, I really have to stop and think about it because I'm so used to the shortcuts. My name is Tony Holowitz, and I want to thank you for being here. Have a great day.